Exercise 7.2, question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points 1, -5 and -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. So in this question, 2 points are given and their join is divided by x-axis. We have to find the ratio in which x-axis divides the join of two given points, and also we have to find the coordinates of the point of division. So here in the question, given points are A 1, -5 and B -4, 5, and join of these 2 points is divided by x-axis. This is x-axis and points are like this: 1, -5 and point B is here -4, 5. The join of these two given points A and B is divided by x-axis, and P is the point of intersection of x-axis and the line segment AB. That is, point P is the point of division. X-axis divides the line segment AB. Let the ratio in which this x-axis divides AB be K is to 1. Let the ratio in which x-axis divides AB internally at P be K is to 1. Then using section formula we can find out coordinates of this point P at which x-axis divides the line segment AB in the ratio K is to 1. So using section formula, the coordinates of the point P are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. K into -4 -4k plus 1 into 1 1 by k plus 1. K into 5 5k plus 1 into -5 -5 by k plus 1. So this is the coordinates of point P in terms of ratio k is to 1, which is an unknown ratio, and that we want to find out in this question. And the given coordinates a1 comma minus 5 and b minus 4 comma 5. But this point P, which is on the line segment AB dividing in the ratio k is to 1, is also on x-axis. Since point P lies on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0, and therefore we can write 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0, and this implies if you cross multiply k plus 1 into 0, it will be 0. So 5k minus 5 equal to 0, and this implies k is equal to 1. Therefore the required ratio in which x-axis divides AB is 1 is to 1. That means point P is midpoint of the line segment AB. So ratio we have found 1 is to 1. Next we have to find coordinates of point of division P, and coordinates of point P in terms of k and coordinates of A and B we have got minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1, 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. So putting the value of k is equal to 1, the coordinates of point of division are, in this expression we have to put k equal to 1. So minus 4 into 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 5k minus 5 by k plus 1, it is ultimately 0. So 5 minus 5 by 1 plus 1, that is minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 2, and y coordinate 0. Hence the required ratio is 1 is to 1, and the coordinates of the point of division are minus 3 by 2 comma 0, and this